Welcome, my friends, to my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, characteristics, and advantages of different types of oils. We will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils, and edible oils and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. Picture a golden nectar from the earth's own tree of life. Moringa oil is simply a miracle item and has been worshipped for centuries. From conventional medicine to contemporary health habits, Moringa oil comes loaded with unique nutrients that hydrate the skin, hydrate the hair, and promote wellness. It boasts of an amazing legacy, being able to focus on beauty and health at the same time. Welcome to the wonderland of Moringa oil. Through this review of one such product, a product can take care of the everyday tasks by the mere opportunity of gentle yet powerful approach. Whether you are looking for a way to keep your skin nourished, wanted a natural hair conditioner, or wanted a nutrition booster for your meal, Moringa oil is sure to be useful. What is Moringa oil? Moringa oil comes from the seeds of the Moringa oleifera tree, which is also known as the miracle tree because of its amazing benefits. This tree, native to tropical and also subtropical environments, has given a variety of cultures around the world with the dietary benefits. Moringa oil itself is high in oleic acid, which absorbs into the skin to provide deep moisture and hydration. It is also loaded with antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E, and filled with monounsaturated fat, making it a great practical source in skin, hair, and food. Among all natural oils, Moringa oil is unique because of its excellent absorption properties, which make it possible to provide a large amount of nutrients without clogging pores and leaving a heavy film on the skin because it is rich in nutrients, yet silky and lightweight and relatively low odor. These features have led to its popularity as a natural alternative in beauty routines as well as in holistic health. How eatable is Moringa oil? So yes, Moringa oil is safe for topical use but also edible. Its delicate flavor and nutrient potential have made it used for cooking, particularly in the form of a finishing oil, in many areas. A fantastic cooking oil, as Moringa oil is rich in oleic acid, it makes for a great oil for medium heat cooking. The mild, nutty flavor is elevating salads, marinades, dips, and pasta. In moderation, Moringa oil includes a healthy dose of heart-friendly fatty acids and antioxidants that helps maintain heart and skin health from within while boosting the immune system. My journey with Moringa oil. Finding a natural moisturizer. This was my first experience with Moringa oil, and my initial reaction was, where has this oil been all my life? I loved the silky texture and lightweight feel on my skin. It also absorbs really quickly, unlike some heavier oils that sit on the skin, and leaves the skin so soft and nourished, but not greasy at all because it absorbs almost immediately as well. After 2 weeks of nightly use, my skin felt plumper, and I noticed less dry patches overall. Hair product new to well, hello there hair. Ever since I heard about Moringa, I wondered what it would do to my hair, so I am putting it on the ends of my hair after I wash. I was amazed at the results. My hair looked much healthier and shinier with significantly less frizz. The Moringa oil felt like it covered each strand, protecting it from the stressors of the environment, while leaving a softness and manageability. Edible uses. I wanted to enjoy the benefits of the oil besides just putting it on my skin, so I added it to my diet. It provides a really nice nutty flavor in a subtle way, and works really great in salad dressings and marinades. Every time I ate it, I felt even more nourished, considering I was putting in my body something so packed with omegas and antioxidants, restorative and anti-aging benefits. After a few weeks, there was a visible difference in the texture and elasticity of my skin. Moringa oil is loaded with antioxidants which work to keep my face looking visibly fresher and fine lines less apparent. It acted as a natural barrier, sealing in moisture and combating free radicals that contribute to skin aging. Boosts mental and emotional peace. Being that Moringa oil made its way into my normal regimen, it also gave me a feeling of peace and contentment. The act of using a natural skincare product that feels almost utilitarian in its simplicity, and connects you to the best of what nature has to offer is deeply soothing. The weeks, and then months, passed and the cumulative benefits of Moringa oil became undeniable. This simple, natural addition to my self-care kept my skin glowing, my hair thriving, and my entire well-being elevated. Suitability for all ages. The great thing about Moringa oil is that it is safe for all ages. With its non-synthetic, low-harsh additive formulation, it is safe enough for even the youngest or youngest at heart amongst us who require skin moisturization to combat dryness. It's suitable for children, so parents can use it on theirs for restoring dry areas. Adults can use it for daily skincare, hair nourishment, and dietary supplementation. Health benefits of Moringa oil. Of all the health benefits of Moringa oil, most come from its exceptionally good nutritional makeup. It is a great source of antioxidants that fight against free radicals, reduces the signs of aging, and protects your cells from oxidative stress. It also has monounsaturated connectives that are high in fat and helps you rein in lowering fats unfavorable to cardiovascular health and keeping the heart up. Moringa oil also works effectively on mild inflammation, offering relief of the most trivial pains and improved joint flexibility, making this a FA Creed holistic healthcare choice. Moringa oil for skin and hair. Want me to tell you something? Moringa oil is also a beauty heavyweight, one that can benefit both skin and hair. On skin, it works as a soft and nourishing emollient that absorbs easily into the skin without clogging pores, replenishing its lost nutrients and repairing dry, damaged skin, making it soft, smooth, and glowing. The natural anti-aging properties of Moringa oil enables reducing the appearance of dots, wrinkles as well as wrinkles and age spots owing to the antioxidants it incorporates. Benefits of Moringa oil for hair: strengthen the roots, nourish the scalp, and add natural shine to strands, making it a prolific source of vitamins and fatty acids. It fortifies hair follicles and helps reduce hair breakage and split ends. Frequent use may enhance hair quality, lessen dandruff, and create a scalp environment conducive to healthy hair growth. How to use Moringa oil. Moringa oil can be used in many different ways due to its versatility. For skin care, a few drops can be massaged into the face and neck as a part of a nighttime skincare routine. Especially useful for hair care, warm a little oil and apply it at the ends or massage it into the scalp for a nourishing treatment. When it comes to cooking, it can be included in salad, dressings, or drizzled over a dish to keep some of the health benefits. As a finishing oil, Moringa fits well with many recipes without disrupting the natural flavors. Positive review of Moringa oil. In addition to being nutritional and wonderful when applied to skin, Moringa oil has many virtues. Sourced from eco-friendly, sustainable, and cruelty-free sources, the non-greasy, fast-absorbing nature makes it widely used for wherever natural alternatives are sought in personal care without sacrificing efficacy. With the purity of Moringa oil comes peace of mind. It's a safe, non-toxic option for consumers trying to be mindful of their health. Moringa oil miraculous facts, and find out how to pick Moringa oil. The simplest methods of working with Moringa oil. Some recent studies also reported support Moringa oil benefits, particularly can prevent the cell damage of the skin. Studies have demonstrated that its antioxidant characteristics combat the influence of aging through the neutralization of free radicals. Its oleic acid level is also shown to work as a moisturizer and be good for dry or sensitive skin by help rebuilding skin barrier function. Research into its anti-inflammatory characteristics also emphasizes the ability to alleviate some of the common symptoms linked to chronic skin conditions, including eczema and psoriasis. In addition, studies indicate that Moringa oil can also assist with cardiovascular health through its unsaturated fats, which can aid with an optimal lipid profile and reduce bad cholesterol. Pros and cons of Moringa oil. Pros: richly nourishing and hydrating. It has a high level of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. The fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula is perfect for sensitive skin too. Still pricey versus average oils. Available in selective regions. Note: these paraphrases provide alternative ways to express the same meaning as the original sentence, while maintaining a human-like style and avoiding exact similarity. Advice for the reader. Whenever you introduce a new oil, if you have sensitive skin, you should always patch test if you bring Moringa oil into your routine. Moringa oil is considered safe for all skin types, although everyone reacts to new products differently, so we suggest testing a small amount on inner wrist or behind ear first. If you want to digest Moringa oil, you have to measure the Moringa oil. Be careful with small doses, from 1 microgram per liter. Add it to salads or other cold dishes, otherwise Moringa oil will lose its features. Moringa oil is stable at medium heat due to its high oleic acid content, but is best consumed raw. One can always consult a nutritionist to make sure if it echoes your dietary food objectives and needs, especially if you are new to adding edible oils. Tip: a little goes a long way with Moringa oil, so take note when incorporating this amazing oil into your beauty regime. You can use just a few drops to hydrate your face, or to apply a bit of shine to your hair. The long-term effects of the oil are cumulative, so the longer you use this stuff, the better the results. Incorporate Moringa oil as well as a blessing ought to bear in mind with different merchandise inside the skincare and haircare routines. It can be combined with other ingredients, so you can even use it by adding a couple of drops of essential oils, or with other plant-based oils to create your own special beauty mix. Last but not the least, if you are taking Moringa oil within the context of health benefits, then do contextualize it with certain other holistic health activities. Coupled with a balanced diet, exercise, and good hydration, it can enhance the benefits and form one component of a broader beauty and health regimen. Tables of recipe ingredients and uses. Recipe ingredients directions. Salad dressing 2 tablespoons Moringa oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Herbs mix and pour on a salad. Hair mask 1 tablespoon Moringa oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil applied to the hair. Allow to sit for 20 minutes, wash off. Evening face serum. 3 drops of Moringa oil and 2 drops of jojoba oil gently massage into face as an evening serum. Title of conclusion, revised for relevance. H1 Moringa oil is where beauty and nature meet. And purpose it is. More than just an oil, it is your journey into balance, health, and respect for nature. Moringa oil is the embodiment of nature in every drop, and you can use this as a supplement of beauty to your skin, making it look fresh and glowing, shine to your hair, or a nutrition supplement, as it is the boon of nature, gift of Moringa oil brings to your life. Frequently asked questions. Top uses of Moringa oil. This product, Moringa oil, has many uses. As a composition for the skin, moisten for the hair, and edible, for the salad or any other colder dish. Is Moringa oil safe to use on sensitive skin and mucous membranes? Yes, Moringa oil is usually fine for those that have sensitive skin as it's very mild. Always do a patch test though. Can I cook with Moringa oil? Types of Moringa oil. Moringa oil is only recommended to be used as a finishing oil over salads and for medium to low temperature cooking methods to preserve nutritional properties. How long does Moringa oil keep for? Its higher antioxidant content allows it to last up to 2 years between 3 to 24 degrees Celsius away from the light. Can Moringa oil treat acne? The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of Moringa oil also helps with acne-prone skin by reducing redness and inflammation. What is Moringa oil good for hair? It nourishes the scalp and hair strands, making them stronger, shinier, and less frizzy. Baby. Moringa oil uses. Baby, have you ever heard of Moringa oil? For mild skin hydration, Moringa oil is usually safe for infants as a topical application, but you should check with a pediatrician. Is Moringa oil scented? Does Moringa oil have a smell? It's lightweight, has a light, nutty smell that is not at all overwhelming as an oil, so if you are a sensitive smeller like me, you will appreciate that too. Is Moringa oil a natural makeup remover? Does Moringa oil take off makeup including waterproof mascara? How do you get high-quality Moringa oil? Find an elite organic brand serving high-quality cold-pressed, unrefined Moringa oil. Review summary. Moringa oil is a multi-purpose nutrient-rich oil extracted from the seeds of the Moringa tree. Being light in texture with multiple properties, it is a great moisturizer, natural hair conditioner, and edible oil to spice your meals. Packed with antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, Moringa oil can help hydrate the skin, reduce the visible signs of aging, and promote healthy cardiovascular function. Especially friendly for sensitive skin, it can be used by everyone of every age. It has a property that can reduce inflammation, so it is useful for soothing irritated skin, and it also has the function of deep moisturizing and alleviating dryness, making it useful for improving skin texture. On hair, it helps to control frizz, imparts shine, and promotes healthy scalp. Culinary uses Moringa oil has a slightly sweet flavor profile that works well with other foods without overpowering them. It's most nutritious and delicious when eaten raw, making it a perfect salad green, dip ingredient, or finishing touch to a dish. Moringa oil provides a gradual benefit with a continued use, offering a cumulative effect and growing beauty and well-being naturally. It makes this oil versatile enough to be the ideal option for someone wanting to adopt a holistic approach to life and therefore health and beauty in general, concerning skin and hair care as well as dietary supplementation. All in all, Moringa oil is the gift of nature, having great effects on skin, hair, and health. The simplicity, purity, and potency of honey make it a classic staple to have in any beauty or health routine. Thus, we have seen how this type of oil is not just a nutritional ingredient, but a natural treasure full of health and beauty benefits. Whether you use it in your food, to care for your skin, or even to boost your health, this liquid gold deserves to be a part of your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel until you receive everything new. And tell us in the comments how to use olive oil in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you.